Hey folks, in this video I will show you how to create virtual machine in VirtualBox. So first of all, you need to install the VirtualBox. So if you don't know how to install Oracle VirtualBox, check out my last video. I will put the link in the description. So after you open the Oracle VirtualBox, you will see window similar to this. So first of all, click new, and here you have to add the machine name. So I add it as Dave, and you can add any name you want. And then so here you have to select the folder path where you want to create the virtual machine. So I select this folder. You can select anything you want, and here you have to select the operating system version you want to add to this machine. So I select Microsoft Windows, but you can select anything, any list down option or other option you want, and you have to select the Windows version you want to install. So I stick with this Windows 10 64-bit version, but you can select anything and click next. And here you have to select the base memory allocated for this virtual machine. So I add it 8 GB. You can select any amount you want, and then you have to add the processor count you want to add to this machine. I select 4. So these resources are only used when you use the virtual machine, so don't worry about that. But if you select more resources, your OS could crash because it could run out of resources. So I suggest that stick with this green bar. Don't add more than that, and click next. And here you have to select the size for the virtual disk. I stick with default size 50 GB, but you can select any amount you want. And also you can, if you want, you can select existing. So let's say you have virtual disk file from another machine, so you can select that option as well if you have it within your hard disk, and click next and click finish. So now, as you can see, it created the VirtualBox. So that's how you can create the virtual machine within Oracle VirtualBox. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And in next video, I will show you how to install operating system within this created machine. I will put the link in the description. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. So see you in the next video.